Alright, so make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any crucial steps. Start by opening the web browser and go to photos.google.com. If you're using the Google Photos app, the steps will be the same. Once you're in Google Photos, look at the left-hand menu and click on Albums. Then click on Create Album. You'll be asked to add a title, so enter a name for your album, something like Vacation Photos or Family Album. Now it's time to add photos. Click on Add Photos and choose the images or videos you want to include. You can either select them from your existing Google Photos library or upload new ones from your computer or phone. Once you've added the photos, simply exit the album, and it will be saved automatically. To share this album with others, go back to the Albums section and find the album you just created. Click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the album thumbnail. Select Share Album. A sharing menu will appear where you can enter the email addresses of the people you want to share it with. You can also copy the album link and send it manually through messaging apps or email. Once the album is shared, you'll see additional profile icons appear in the album, indicating that other users have access. If at any point you want to stop sharing the album, go back to the sharing settings, tap the profile icon at the top. Scroll down and remove individual users or turn off link sharing. This will prevent anyone from accessing the album. And that's it. Now you know how to create and share an album in Google Photos. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in next one.